Hello students, welcome to my online lecture series of subject .NET Programming. Today we will learn unit number 3, which is additional controls and menu of Windows. Today's topic is link label and picture box control. Objective: in this video lecture we will cover link label control with its property, method, event and example. Then also discuss the picture box control with its property, method, event and example. Now start our session with first control, link label. Link label control is a control which provides hyperlink. It is similar to the label control, means it has all the property, method and events similar to the label control. Now, properties of link label. First property is name. Name property is used for the get or set the name of link label control. Then text. Get or set the text of link label control. Third property is auto size. Auto size has two values, true or false. If the user select true, then the size of link label is set according to the font size of the text. And second is false. If false is selected, then link label size is manually decided by user. Then next property is active link color. It specifies the color of active link of link label control. Then visited link color. It specifies the color of visited link. Next is enable. It specifies whether the link label control is enabled or not. It has the two values, true or false. If the user select the value true, then user can interact with the control. If user select the value, enable value as a false, then user cannot interact with the control. Then next property is visible. Again it has two values, true or false. If the user select the value true, then the link label control is visible at runtime. And if the visible control has a value false, then it cannot be visible to the user at runtime. Then next property is font color. It is used to set the font color of the text of link label control. Then back color means background color of the link label control. Then font. Font property is used for get or set the font face, means font name, font size, etc. for the text of link label control. Now next is methods of link label. There are generally three methods which is used with the link label control. First is show. Show method is used to show link label control at runtime. Then hide. It is used to hide link label control at runtime. And third is focus. It is used to set input focus of the link label control. Then events of link label. There are generally two events which is used frequently with the link label control. First is click or link click event. It fires or occurs when the link label is clicked. And the second event is double click, means this event is occur when the link label control is double click. Now switch over to the application of VB.NET. Now my application name is Windows Application 1. In Windows Application 1, one form is Form 1. In this Form 1, I put one label control. Now set the text property of label control with open Notepad Here the auto size property is set to true. Now place link label control against this label control. Now again check the properties of link label. We can set the name properties of the link label control. Then background color. Then we can set visible property. It has two value, true or false. Then text of link label. We can set the text of link label by here. And auto size property. Here the auto size property has the value true, so that the link label link label control size is according to the font of the link label. If we can set the auto size property as false, then we can see that the link label's size is decided by manually. So here I set as a true. Now this form, when we run this form and click on this link label 1, then my notepad file is open. Means this link I set the link of the notepad file with the link label. So just double click on the link label control. My coding window is open. In this coding window, here we can see that link label 1, which is my control's name, and link click is an event, which is a default event. So when user click on the link label control, then the code is executed, which is written between the private sub and end sub. Now here I just write the code which is used to open the notepad's exe file. So first of all, write system. It is a namespace dot diagnostics, which is again namespace. Then process, which is a class, which is in a diagnostics namespace. Then write start, which is a method to open a notepad's exe file. So write the file name, exe file name. So here I write notepad.exe in between the double quotation mark. So whenever user click on the link label control, then this code opens the notepad's exe file. So first set startup form as my form 1 and just run the application. Now this is my form. When I click on link label 1, then notepad is open. So such way a link label control provides hyperlink. It is used to open a file which is written, its parts it's written between the double quotation marks of start bracket. Now again switch over to the PPT for the next topic. Second control is a picture box. Picture box control is used to display graphics in a bitmap, GIF, JPG or icon format. Properties of picture box are: first property is name. It is used to get or set the name of picture box control. Then second property is image. This property is used at runtime and design time both. It is used to set the image that is displayed in the picture box. This is the main property of our picture box control. Then third property is image location. This is similar to the image property. It is used to get or set the image that is displayed in the picture box control. Then size mode. This size mode property determines the size of the image to be displayed. It has values like normal, center image, stretch image, zoom, auto size. Then next property is error image. Error image specify an image to be displayed when error occurs during the image loading process. For example, whenever user write the path of the image which is wrong path, then the error image is called and the image is a display which is set in the error image property. Now methods of picture box control. Generally one method which is commonly used with the picture box control is load. This load method is used to display an image whose path is specified in image location property of picture box. Means this method called the property image location. Now second is events of picture box control. Two events is used generally with the picture box control. First event is click. This click event occurs when the picture box control is click. And the second event is size mode change. Means whenever the size mode property of picture box is changed, this event is occurs. Now switch over to our applications, window application for the practical of picture box control. Open Form 2. Now in Form 2, place one picture box, put up one picture box, just drag and drop and put one button below the picture box. Now first of all change the properties of button control, change a name. Suppose I write btn load and text property. This button is used to load the image. So I just write the name as load image. Means whenever I run this form and the user click on the load image button, then the selected image is displayed in this picture box. Now at design time, first of all at the design time I set the image, select picture box and click on image property, then click local resource import. Now select the picture. For example, I select this desert picture which is in JPG file. Open. OK. Now I set the image property at design time. Then second main property is size mode. Here by default it is a normal, so my image is displayed in normal view. Whenever I select stretch image, then image is stretch and whole image is displayed in this picture box. Now suppose I select auto size, then my picture box is set according to the picture. Center image. In this case the center part of the image is displayed in the picture box. And last is zoom, means my image is zoom according to the picture box control. Now suppose I remove this image from the picture box and I write the code at runtime to display an image in the picture box. So click on the button. So the coding for picture box control is right in between the private sub and end sub. Here btn load is a buttons click event. Now I write the coding. My control name is picturebox1 dot property is image equal to image is a class, dot from file, which is a method. This is used to display an image at runtime. So this statement set the image in the picture box control, and this image is taken from the path which is written between the bracket. Now here I suppose I display the picture from the F drive. So here I write F and then path name, picture name, which is a desert, right, dot jpg. Jpg is a extension and desert is my picture name. So this statement display image in the picture box. Now run the practical. First of all, set the startup form, which is a form 2. Run the practical. Click on the load image. So the picture box coding is display. Here the whole image is display, means in a stretch mode, because at design time I select the stretch mode image. So for example, size mode property is changed and I set to normal. And at runtime, I write picture box 1 dot size mode is equal to picture box size mode dot stretch image. This statement set the size mode property at runtime. Now run the practical, load image. So my picture is in a size mode property, stretch image, and the picture is display. Image is display in the picture box. Now comment this both statement and below this write picture box 1 dot image location is equal to write the path of the picture. So my picture is in F drive desert.jpg. So copy this path and write in this double quotation mark. Now I use picture box 1 dot load method. Now this load method load the image from the path which is display in the image location property. Now run the practical. Click on the load image. My image is displayed. Again, my image is in a normal way. So close the practical and write this statement for changing the size mode property. Run the practical. So here my image is displayed in stretch way in the picture box. Now switch on to the PPT. In this way, we can set any picture in our picture box, and also we can use the link label control to display to hyperlink the label. I hope you enjoy this video lecture session. Thank you.